Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Convener Edma Ashanti Youth Association, aka Aya. Aya Chinebo Akodua. Chinebo, Machio.
Ofa mejuso guru.
Ashanti man temu bako de.
Ofa onchedi amfanda woma ye ho ye. Akwa na unsusu ohu te sei.
Oh, nyame adom mesume ho ye pa.
Onchedi amfase.
Ne yasi mubufu efunu de agese pele breast ane bade fo mo mu bedo.
Ofa eja obere dey. Aduane edenti eja obufu se de yakura no wati bi edi.
Eya sem dada no a. Eya sem dada no na fufuro bi aba.
Oba de fufuro eho apaso ya ye. Inia daladam ne osompra do adekufo.
Se penifo de akyerɛ pa ba ma wo mo mo kebie be mu no mo se gina wo NDC mo nso ja wo mo nse akyi da wo mo nsa ye mu a wo mo pa che ntu edi adwebre wa na
ofa yesi ko bi na manka bi enye ana yeku ya nimu wo ye democracy mu no ofa de bia da na yini kakra nso so a na eja okedi apadaro ma yehu nyansa nso so kakra na yehu kwan ebefa so a yebetu ya namo o ya manyosem mu ane ya mamra ni amani mu ofa ade ba ko a menim ane ntiti a me manya kakra ewo amanyosem mu ene se wo ya babunu bia anase obi a wo de besi wani so wo amanyosem mu na wo de bia no usino ban ni se wo de wo bekra yone ana wo semu a wo beka no ekofa yone ba wa amanyosem no ebi emprempre ya na wo ba achieve kakra pese wo achieve no na so wutimi nyam fanko wani so se enipa etwa guo ni nyina no ye nipa no bia won tedi nyankopon bo wo ma ya abosom wo mpo wo mo ya abosom keto a wa saasi so ana ye man mu a esi ade ani die ma wo mu me na minya video ni bi nhweye enti eja ya members ya ne bi frefre ye bi frɛ ye president Dr. Ronald Anane ne bi frɛ ye vice president ye panyi Honorable Joe Opon enti eya na omuso bo akire ma me hwɛ video ti me hwɛ wie ye no na me sia fem ofa yan ka no kura pa minimandi sifo bebre minimandi simpanyifo bebre a wo so ma panyi kufofo na obudi ni papa sabi o ma panyi kufo aduane na ede na akora otibidie na sie kan ya ni papa ma panyi kufo a ati na bia mitimi hwedi na me nyankopon fa ye bone enche emebi wie du wo ye party mu na ni dia kwaya se sabi ye di kura bata wo a ye yi wo free party mu edumre bi maami bi ameka de pa ye fe no maami adwa ye timi otimi kwatna la the radio station bi so ne ye friend Rainbow na wasumpa o mampanyi kufo odi sempetwa embe bi kura ba ya emabu na wo party ni pa bi bodum penko gina ne tuna no se ya mani nko Supreme Court ya di demonstration eko kana hyefi na aduane na de na akora atibidie na ofa adikwa ma ayaye kasa asem we mi ampese ebeye ko na ebeye no ene ne se sana asante etina ase ema ye super champion ani ye tiwo ye be fight champion eko sana homa sana asante tina ase ye super fifa obi a wagina election wo mampon asana mp bibia woni amanyosem kura ni bibia yo no asante tina ase bi ye super no a ne ye pamatare ase no ne ye be fa ne ye kose na homa ene history chance set o pamampani a wo no made pa ene ye champion eso so ya try ya dan ye history tracing awa sabi o mampani ye champion kura ye monidi na so so ofamene wo kasa wo ba asante mantem ha nsu a ya no mo e champo adawo ma ne ya no nsu na so obi be ko school wo ko sia de no nso so abeye doctor nintini a e champo adawo ma na school medical school nya wo ha asete atwa Ghana ha nyina sia na ban dwuma efo titim wo nyina asete bi a wo bi a champo de sia asoso etina si di ma nipa bi sese de la dem mu bi chabo champo sa wo suba ti se de la dem no chabo champo sa emene ya manyo semu champo kura yen kai no na de bia de di asante na asante ayedi owura no ewo mu se na manyo po gira mu no NDC de krata babonten na se de mesase ya mekaye no minim NDC mpanyimfo emaburu pia wo mu sima mpanyimfo afo free say sabi ya opanyin wakoduru no nyame ahwe na koduru no oye bosom ketwa amaye a ye hwe no so na media ye kama na sipen amo biate owura dara dem no ne kasa o kasa ti amampanyi kofo no enya out of politics eye tan na eye ade bi ni sabi dia dua ni mu
sa na mu hu no
yes ya de eye ayata ni hu no eye tan na eye ade bi ni sabi dia dua ni mu ni ese bi ni sabi akam na ni tiri mu dam
nipa be no no
yes what we say ya ti promo na opanyi be twa obuku aye fa ni ebe hegemony eye the late professor Yido and wo kreti tan ebe to asante oni awunafo tem enti ekodu mre bi wo pom ha na akoyese se obi ewa awuna na obi wa asante a woni ne nka wa amanyosemu woni na ni hia yankopon kuma na fafie na nananom kakra eni sede mpanyimfo a nyame so omo daye na oman Ghana eda o makoma so akusa ne saa bedu bebia ya bedu enti saa de no a saa futuo no a education no a enipa bi gina amanyosemachi aye ya create tension between anwuna and asante no sabi yewra batina akonya so bafo abanya watra ya so beka anwuna ne asante agbomu anno hini kese wono so atra ya so wono so beka anwuna ne asante agbomu sani pa bi de adaso to won tirim dem and owura daledem no okaho na nya o manpanyi kofo nko a o di bedi no ne sia wo fe no a kire se owo bibi akasa etia asantini bia ogina manyosemu
kodie
ya kama ya kan play wai ya na kira bia ho ya den sam wada ya ntimi wai kuro nanim otubo se na ese na ntwibiri sabi wani mu a na esoro na wo na so efom no na ye pete because se obi tira baby ka se o man pani kofo ye statement entini kwa se ko godina na manyosemu kasa bi bu so red daledem se o man pani Rollins awanya baby ko nyame fa ne kransie yi me boni di am sorry just me boni di wie na me fa de kransie yi mo gina owura tabel seti na wo ye campaign ma tabel in fact ogina tie dia bufu pop sabi afro man panyi kofo atayi sabre na dale de boy sabre na me tika me ka say na me so me gina manyo semu me na be big sabi ebe pore me sekan semwa emfata say e cho man panyi Rollins every onoti so obi ka baby no person o ma ye boni be ka so plenty excuse so o ma pedi go for baby awadu no eni ko say or your statement who is a statement let us find the definition of a statement what you say and the definition of a statement no and then the right them never try what you say sabi you say sabi yo what say be yo dan tita won say o ma panyi kufo o be yo ma panyi kufo e ya ma no ko bi na so and o de be yo ma panyi kufo even in the developed countries, no, of a minimum say, one who said now Obama would be your friend say, Obama was in America, what did I say? No, I campaign man. Already on your statement. America, no one who for Democrats by this year. Obama money Clinton, no one your campaign. And the money that I'm paying for, taking a money of Kuma, a friend, one of the great, no one do. Then I'm on your phone, what may you among the corner watching it, make us and from among you. And for Cassie, there be no for favor among the one. There is that a branch I want to for your man. mpanyinfoɔ kora wodu wɔn akyia wɔn mu sɔ mpanyinfoɔ ho wɔyɛ bosompra a wɔn mpanyinfoɔ bi a ni die ɛma no paa na kasa asɛm wɔ ɛyɛ asese nse ya na nyɛ fɛ nti ase yɛ ka no kora kyerɛ no ɔsɛ ɛyɛ hyɛ wo bi na wɔnya sɛ nipa bi na aka biribi asɛ ne ti mu na ɔwu ɛtan bi ɛwɔ abusuakuo ma mpanyinfoɔ firi mu a wɔnya ɛda mmoa no
kodua yi sɛgya wo kan deɛ ɛyam da paa sɛ mu wɔ baabi na wɔka about politics a ɛwom which that is the reality sɛ the ladam nsɛm a ɔka yɛ nyinaa no attribute to nansɛn pronouncement bi a Papa Kufuor ɛmɛkiiɛ and we all know sɛ Papa Kufuor pronouncement no na ɛnto tribal lines na ɛfa politics a yɛyɛ towards December 7th election. So can we also not agree on this principle say Papa Kufuor asma kokan je eye amanyosem simile enunti na the ledem so the response ye hu say eye political response
ofanti ba cha adanse je be dia ma na ma me ka sin do fa and then me ka wo fi dikasi ewi na dia be bia pinche wo no and no me you pay again tribalism and religion now what is the thing why am I somewhere here you and now put this in the family you know what man and jump to preoccupant kasa ade ne wate we say na no e dey or to the mouth historical antecedent and I make sure baby or the land of Friba any idea any team na yade ekosu in fact offer the two same number me two member chelsea me ya members ya members rampo the brave na NDC mo we trust no bi ya pa na me ka no kre eto bi awo ye ko ya ye mo no madam fudu what we are beautiful hypocrites just say and kepi all communication director the pen nurity madam for pardon me pardon in fact what do me what dance your baby ma say bi mama no kokura me dia mu we would defend me one dance yes I don't say na fagbara surprise akoso wo mama no kuru o ji wo pani te se problem for to so me say me ka e wo fi dey so a me take the ama no kwan ti to kunya tell o ti problem for ya ni e dem to from satan ya na sin futu e bu the signature wo e wo sika so baby papa we aboni bra ko di wo di no so another person e na tamusa what you say enti eya enti mama no kumu eya dia koswa enti ni papi trimu dabo o fu say asanto wo mu enyi e wo ho mi aka ni brawe na enyo wo pe ye fo ni na onu ti ye pesi ye katira mabru the let them come the life of the let them no sa dia na ni wo si wo dabo wo fu say amanyokuo ni dey belong to something ethnic group na asante wo mu anyanye amanukuo no de bia any certain ethnic group awa kansie and this amanukuo no any certain group bia ethnic group bia ya kansie in fact and this amanukuo ko for the baale no e ya asante ko for baale become you biato yes wa ya ma me what do I my role the to board ni e ka do ko for amanukuo no baale amanukuo yes the lives of people and the proper man for the bedroom of the other. And see, no beer or drama you put and you saw man you put and one ethnic agenda and friendship for Kobe. Kobe, I make a send this for me, I must to form them the bomb of us. I may show people or you know more in this. I am, the Homovia. And I said, because I better to be asked for you. We are getting the job of money. That's also the bus and temple as something can qua may form of some common to the drop Yaco to come, Yana Pro. No, yes, come on, that's so I think it is the legend. I'm on your summer by your shaman, your stomach, and I'm in Mao. Practical example from a developed country in Naya show, Obama ne Clinton no one that no di the president mame your friend say Harris one who am your campaign man now who di mama no someone di chairman no some chai Obama who mu cha obi free baby abedi Obama atem for a statement one can no and the mama one practical example of policy it's not simple not that I'm one the only ex-president Taniyo who campaign mind this to the sense that for refer for my penny before as a time what is will be a begin at him now paying about the stand on my penny before you that more branch away putting at him again my mom oh when I first why you person your cars and temper in force the life of the Lord and a special agenda all that social media what was your son mama yourself the Twitter near Takia Kachame. I think Sachame and the determined Bibia Ukraine. I'm on the same way I am Yanasa, your first time on yourself. Your father Yam on yourself. Your father Akuma and Yakuma Panyam on yourself. We are suffering penny for one. You do much more.
And to go beyond the apology, no. A deben the bet with the Akuma Toyemu Abba.
Party no any day. If I'm a castle on this party, the young man who open you said to look at you. Of a catch from her. Oh, yeah, man, your form and sound. I know you're chairman. Now, I know one was a quickly no about team. Party and Cassade apology at the trouble. Now, I put the new people of and I'm putting 9 years to see Mohammed say, yes, to see Mohammed say, now, but then you sit down, or father, and I put you to do that, and but then you saw for no was it. Now, we used to say Mohammed, and I want us also to say, partially the statement about the land of Mars was to say, on the Pacific.
Yes, say in the coming days in Bia, expectation, you baby more. Now, young Twan Common, so fitting your yard more chineco.
Of a patrol.
I no pay any so Brenwa Daji.
Minister.
Chinewa could you convene at the Ashanti Youth Association, aka Aya. And I am in a church Komono. Bringing the time to 21 minutes into 10. Now, before you.
Okay, FM 101.7.